New house, new. Everything new. Moving in there. We have arrived at address. That's the hotel lobby, residence apartment, service apartment. Woohoo. Yeah. Yeah lah, residence lah. Ooh.
Ni residences kan? Kita masuk ni tak?
Yeah.
Kita masuk sini tak? Where is the...
No, this side is the service apartment, but they call it residences. So
What's
this
that?
address residences. The other side is the beach.
Oh.
Address residences. Okay lah. Aku tahu tu. Okay, the reception. Wow, reception. Oh my god. Yeah, fit check. Fit check.
Ha?
Fit check. Well, what hat are you wearing?
Burberry.
Okay, shirt. Dolce. Okay, your slot. Shopee. Crocs.
Hey, is it my phone? Yeah.
So this building has highest outdoor infinity pool and sky bridge. Wow. So a bit of a backstory. We were in London, and when my late dad was here, we almost bought that a room in one of those. Look at it, it's empty.
Biasa lah, pemalas.
Tak mahal dia. Is it possible to request?
Yes, it is possible, sir. Actually, we have provided here a list of a la carte services as well. So you have options. For example, you just want to... Mostly the burgers we have are from...
Tower. We're on tower 2. Tower 2, yeah. Tower 7. So the lift going to your apartment is on this side. Yes. So you have until 7th floor on this side and until 7th week on this side. But both you can use going to your apartment. But if you want to go in your gym area, so you have this. So it's the lobby.
Yeah, this is new,
So lobby is up there. This ground. Wow. Oh, there's a kedai. There's a restaurant place here. The restaurant. Ooh, okay. Heading to the pool. Okay, so family pool here. Okay. There's a kiddie area there. And adult pool is down here. Okay, whether drinks or what, I don't know. But adult pool is down here. There's a building. Wow. The lobby up there. See the structure there? Yeah. Kids pool, which is way bigger than the adult pool, which is down here. Wow. And there's a grill restaurant thingy there. That's the sea. Now we're going up. We will message you. Okay. Once the car park are ready for to pick up from the other side. It's going to kids car. Oh. Okay. Oh, penthouse. The gym is open 24 hours. Okay, so but the service team are available here from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Oh, yeah, the gym 24 hours here. Number 75. Ooh, got spa stuff. So this is the spa reception. Okay, spa reception.
Ooh. Okay, there's a dance studio, multi-purpose studio. Ini gym my mom. All inside spa. It's spa. Okay, the finish is nice. Wooden doors. Oh. Actually, you need to wait there. Okay, you need to wait there. It's gym. Dah, boleh masuk pula. Ini gym. Wait. Ooh. Oh. The multi. Oh, changing room. Ni man ke apa mah? Okay. Changing room. Okay.
Outdoor restaurant here.
Infinity pool. What's tall is?
The cabana. This is the private cabana, sir. We have 12 different cabana rooms. I can show you one of the rooms.
The cabana. Yeah, cabana.
There is a hostel.
Oh, this is cabana. Mm-hmm. Mama.
Garbage here. So if you have fragile item or you have big boxes, you can leave it on the floor and our team will clear it. Okay.
Okay.
I have one more emergency staircase on that side.
Mm-hmm.
Surface landing is on this side.
Okay.
Like if you have delivery, you order from outside, we have standby team from the loading area. So they will assist those delivery guys to come in front of you.
Okay, this is our room.
Service landing. So housekeeping engineering and carnival is from this side. Yeah.
Belakang ha.
Okay.
Yeah, just open the room. Up there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Push.
Ooh, okay.
Welcome to your new home.
Uh-huh. Lah, mama besar.
Magkikilay ba one of the cards, sir?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So whenever you're in the apartment, just keep one in the folder.
Yeah.
The lights.
Selipar buat air depan dia. Dah kotak. Ya, later.
Masuk. Tu je.
Ah, ni. Dua katil.
Oh, there?
Kan ada dua katil tak? Oh, it's all huge.
It's quite big.
So we cannot change.
Sorry,
Because
ma'am?
when we purchased, we said we wanted to change to 2 single bed
Yeah.
for the one of the room.
Yeah.
They said when you hand over, you can check with the handover fee.
Yes, ma'am. If you want to change the bed, we can, but we have to check the availability from the supplier.
Ah.
Normally, we should order like
Look
they
at
collect
that
the
view,
bulk order
bro.
or they
Look
place the
at
order.
that.
I mean, they collect
So we are here to unbox
Bodoh lah
the address
Kau nak tolong saya. Fuck you lah.
and enter the packet. Okay. Let's go, open.
Okay, open.
Open lah syirik ni.
Oh my god. Is it?
Okay, aku put this here. Ooh. Okay, angkat. Let's shake you do. Oh my goodness. That one also don't know. Kan?
What's this?
Okay, it's just here. Wow. Cannot go
Dia a la
infinity
carte
pool.
services.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Okay, the entry.
Just swimming pool?
That one's for downstairs, no?
Blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
Okay, just put this side.
Whoa. Oh my god.
Oh, okay. So this one.
Slippers? Oh, there's a handbag for Mama.
Okay, we have slipper. Ni tak ada ni.
Show mama.
Huh?
Show mama ni.
Oh ah, beach bag.
Give to mama.
Mama.
Okay. Got a beach bag and bathrobe.
Give to mama.
Mama.
Ni cari besar ke bang?
Where's Mama? Did she go right or left?
So yeah, okay. Room tour,
Mama.
entrance,
Alright.
Where are you?
mirror, fridge, kitchen. There's a fucking, you need to clean this. Laundry room. Wow. Microwave. I don't know what's on here. Storage.
Where is Mama?
Dining table. Living room. A sofa bed.
Where are you?
Sofa bed. Table. TV. Balcony first. Let's go to the balcony. We have this chair. We have the view. So that's the palm. Dubai Ain, Blue Waters. You can go to those swimming pool. You cannot go through one on top. So what the fuck? Anyways, that's the canal to the Dubai Marina, and that's where we were staying before. And now we are home. Okay, there's another. Balcony is huge. Can sleep. Okay, anyway, balcony is connected to the master bedroom. You have tables and chairs. Master bedroom. Yeah. Bed. TV. Cupboard. Toilet. Ashtray 30. Oh, there's a 30.
There's a wild restaurant.
Sink. All nice finished. There's two bath towel, bath robes, or fucking bath rug. There's small as bin down here. Toilet, blah blah blah. Okay, look at the finish, bro. Water on top. Ooh. Ooh. Looking saucy. There's a sliding door. Let's go to the guest room. Well, this is 2-bedroom apartment. Powder room, toilet, and guest room. Yeah. The guest room, you still have the view. Woo! Okay, tour done.